How to add countdown widget on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is just go to the Play Store application over here on your device and then download and install this application called Countdown Widget and Reminders. Now as you tap on that, you will be able to install it, and as you install it, you can just go back to your home screen and then make a long press on the home screen. Then tap on the widget option at the bottom of the screen, and here you'll be able to see different widget options. So just select the one that has countdown over here. So scroll down until you find the option. And here, as you can see at the bottom, you can see the option of time count, which is the countdown widget. So you just have to tap on it. You can choose any of this option between the two, and then you can just tap on the tick, and here as you tap and hold, then tap settings to select a countdown over here, and you have added the countdown widget on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.